What's Uppie? Today we're here with Uppie, and today we're gonna learn about animal exercises. So come on, let's go. For our first animal workout, we're gonna jump on the trampolines like rabbits. While I jump on these trampolines, you guys can jump in place at home. Okay, start the clock for 20 seconds. Come on, let's go. You guys did such a great job jumping like bunnies. Our next animal workout, we're gonna climb on the rock walls like we're monkeys. You guys can pretend to climb at home while I'm on the climbing wall. Come on. Man, we're going up high. It feels like we're monkeys in the tree. Whoa! Hey! Oh, we're almost to the top. And we're there. Whoa! Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. You guys did such a great job at just climbing as monkeys. Next animal workout, we're gonna crawl like bears. So let's do it. Get on all fours. So your hand, and your feet. Then we can crawl along like babies. Whew, I'm tired. That was a great animal workout. So come on, let's go to our next one. Now for our next animal exercise, we're gonna pretend to be butterflies. So let's get both of our arms out and flap our arms around the park. Come on, let's go. Woo. You can go to the right side, maybe to the left side, a little twirl. Woo. Butterfly. Little twirl, side, side, to the other side. For our next animal exercise, we're gonna cool down since the other one was really hard to do. We're gonna do an elephant one, so you can get whichever arm you want. I'm gonna do my right arm, and we're gonna pretend to be elephants. Woo. You can go to this way, and maybe even make some animal noises while you're doing it. Great job, you guys. Woo. Like an elephant. All right, good job. That wraps up our animal exercise. Thanks so much for joining us today. Me and Uppie had so much fun, but we are a little tired. You guys were doing so good with the animal exercises. Bye.